For today's word study lesson, you will need to sign on to Schoology. In this assignment, you will have 3 different sorts to complete. We will be referring back to what you did earlier today, which was looking at different letter combinations that made different vowel sounds. The 3 letter combinations we are talking about are EA, EI, and OW. Although they might be the same letters, they come up with very different sounds. So that's where you're going to sort. The first slide you're going to work on is the EA. So what you need to do is read through these words and differentiate between 2 different sounds the EA makes. Let's do a couple. The first word is each. Listen to the sound again. Each. EA has a very specific sound in this word, each. Let's see if it matches the next one. Next word is break. Even though it has the same letters EA, that's a very different vowel sound. So those are the 2 sounds you're looking for or listening for when you read through the rest of your words. I'm going to take each and put it on one side of my chart, and then I'm going to take break and click and drag it to the other side of my chart. From now on, you're going to do that. So next word is reach. Hopefully, you'll be able to determine which one this goes under, either each or break. The next slide, after you complete this entire chart and all of your words have been sorted, your next one is going to click down and you'll see green words. This is where we're talking about EI. You're going to do the same thing here. Sound the word or say the word aloud so you can hear it and see if it matches. Find all the matching EI words, sound here, and the other EI words that make a different sound here, just like we did on the first slide. The last and final sort is with the OW words. Once again, you're going to read through and listen for the vowel sound and differentiate and sort between the 2 sounds you hear. When you are done with all of your words on each slide, remember there's 3 of them, EA, EI, and OW, make sure you click Submit Assignment for your teacher to look at it.